All right, you just gotta make sure you don't hurt yourself when you do this. He makes it look so easy. Voila.
And after that, ready? All right. See? That's your coconut.
There we go.
Want a drink?
Wow.
You are too hot.
Not with that one.
See? There we go. That's nice and full. You got her?
Okay, the objective is to not so much as speed on this. So we want clean. We want it nice and clean. We want quality, and not all kinds of opalas in there after it's done. We want to be able to squeeze it and drink it. You're gonna be tasting this one too, Dave.
Okay? Got her? This one over here. And you're pulling out the coconut inside. And this is a squeeze. You got it? You ready? There we go. Good. All right.
Hey, puppy. Can we set up one more? We've got one more here. Coconut husking. Oh. Are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go. Come on, you guys. Come on, you guys. Oh, we've got one down, puppy. Nice and clean right here. You're gonna find the center. Right in the middle. A little harder, a little harder. That's it, there we go. Woo-wee. Wow, that's it. Wow, that's a perfect open. Oh, this one is on a roll here. There we go. Man, they're on a roll today. We're gonna get faster, faster, faster. We're gonna move faster. Hey, puppy, this guy is almost done. There we go. He's got it. He's got a technique. That's how. That's how. Good job. That's it. You gotta do both of them. There you go. Now you got the system going. How's the beer? How are we doing? Perfect. Wow, there we go. Get this routine down. Remember, you have to be able to drink that milk too. It's pretty good. Good job. We got a winner here, Papi. We got one down here. Are you done? I think you are. Oh no, you got one more. How about you, sir? Are you done? Just about. Weavers are doing really good. I don't even know how to do that. And that looks really good. They got it, Papi. Look at this one here. This is awesome. This is beautiful. All right. Okay. If you're done, you need to stand up, put your bowl on top of your chair.
How about this
Our
lady over
judge will
here?
be
How they
coming
doing?
around to check
Did you go
your
first
bowls
time?
out.
All right. How about that? Oh boy. Come on, folks. Give a hand for this participation.
Come on, you guys, show
Come
some
on.
love.
Give a hand for them.
That's it.
Okay. The coconut is done already, Rose. Who's the first one? Who's the first one?
He's got it down to the bare bone, this one here. There's nothing left in that coconut.
Yeah, good. Look at that. Oh, this one is still having some meat inside though. Yeah?
All right. We're going to be coming around and selecting a winner.
Same thing over here too.
What do you
Still
think,
have some
Papi?
meat. That one, number one.
Which
The
one?
last one.
Last one
Yeah.
is number one.
And then this one is second. Because they eat more coconut, huh?
Oh,
And
I
the
know.
third?
He finished all of them. He finished grading.
A little
I
bit,
got
little
it. I
bit.
got it. All right.
Second, third, and number four.
Okay.
Okay?
We've
Good.
got presents for
You
you.
got the winner? The present for them?
Yes, of course.
Oh, nice. Okay.
We're giving away so much stuff at this Heiva. That's why we broke. We give away too much stuff.
Okay, girls, you ready? Okay, line up over there. Come on, come on, come on. Take off all your leaves. Take it off all your leaves. Yeah. Take it off. Yeah, let's start again. Line up over here. Come on. You guys know already how to do it. Come on. Who's the first one? Come on. Spread up a little bit. You move over here a little bit. And you over here a little bit.
All right. Where's the coconut huskers?
No, start yet. I never start.
Coconut huskers.
Ready? Okay, Rose, wait. I started this one.
All right. You
Okay,
can start
you
that.
guys
I'm
ready?
giving away our presents
Good.
here.
Good. In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
It looks like they're all extra large.
All right, you got it. Woo-hoo. Come on, come on. Come on.
This is a large, but you can trade it at the booth for next.
Come on, you guys know already. Come on, you guys know already. Look at the price. Okay, this one. Woo-hoo. Getting there,
Oh,
getting
well,
there.
oh my goodness, look at her go.
I know, look at that. See? Now they know how to make that on the headband now.
Exactly.
Hey.
And after this, we're going to be making
And
our
don't
way
forget
down
for
there
next year
to
when you
the...
come back, now you know exactly how to do it. Gee. Oh,
On
nice.
Saturday, we're going to be repeating these cultural activities.
Tomorrow.
Or tomorrow, we're going to be continuing
Saturday,
these cultural
every day.
activities. And again, giving away more stuff.
Yeah, we have more stuff. We have food carry coming up. Well, I don't know if today, maybe tomorrow. Huh? No, now.
All right, for tomorrow's activities, we're going to be doing a fruit race tomorrow. Yay! Beautiful. There we go. All right. We've got presents that is coming. It's coming. It's coming. We're doing on this side here, on this basket weaving. It's coming. I know. There you go. And you were saying, I don't know how to do this. Good job. Good job. Hey, puppy.
Yeah. What happened?
They're doing such a good job here.
Ooh,
I know.
Oh,
This
that's
is
not-
beautiful.
hey, all right, lady. Woo. Almost there. Come on, come on. Okay. One more time tomorrow. Saturday.
Let's see. Oh, can we get some presents, please? All right. So are we done with this, puppy? All right.
In the house?
Yes, we've got the final competition. It's weaving, basket weaving here.
Auntie Janie in the house?
All right, we're getting to the nitty gritty here. Good job, you guys. This one is doing really well too. And Aloha is doing super here. There we go. We're almost there, we're almost there. We're down to the final countdown. That's it, she got it. She has got it. You have to stand up and show the audience your work of art. There we go. How about a big round of applause for her?
All right.
Beautiful.
Very good. Okay.
She can make a dress out of that. Or you know what? You could just hang over your head. You don't need an umbrella. That would be for the whole family. And if you guys
good.
put all these things together, you can cover this whole thing.
There we go. There we go.
Here we go. We got a winner here. It is Haoli. Hi. Oh, you couldn't have.